Hello there, I'm Julia from Indonesia. Today I'm going to show you my new clutch from Coach. This is called clutch with rivets. As you can see, there is full of rivets on the side of this clutch. It is on black color and it is from smooth leather. There is a Coach written on the button, as you can see. So this is the front, and on the side there is some gusset here, so it will be expand a little bit. And on the back there is slip pocket here on the back, and it is full leather inside. I think this one is in saddle. I think this one is saddle color, the inside of this clutch, and it is part of 1941 collection. As you can see, the hang tag is different. There is a strap for your wrist. It is adjustable and also detachable. I thought this one is similar with wristlet 19, but I was wrong because this one is pretty narrow. As you can see, this is my wristlet 19. See, it is smaller and narrow. As you can see, my wristlet 19 is wider than this clutch. So yeah, let's see the inside. And this is also full leather inside. I think this one is also in saddle color. So there is a slip pocket here on the front. This is front compartment, and there is zip compartment on the middle here. See, I think I put my care card and my price tag here. Yeah, this is my care card and price tag. So you can see there is a F code on the number, so it is from the outlet, but I saw on the crate there is no F code on the crate, so I believe this one is from retail or boutique store but sold or sell in the outlet. And the inside of zipper compartment is from canvas here, not from leather, but other compartment is full leather. And on the back there is two slot for your cards. I just put my card so you can see the slot. See, only two cards here. Oh, there is also some slot for your cards here between the front compartment and the zipper compartment. So let me put some things in here. What things that can fit in here? Okay, let me try to put my money or my cash here on the front, or slip pocket on the front here. I don't think bulky thing can fit on the slip pocket here, because if you put your bulky thing here, it won't close. So my mobile phone, this is iPhone SE or 5, is quite thick, as you can see, not slim one. I just put on the front compartment here. Let me put my some cards here. These are 5 cards, so I just put on the slot here 5 cards. I don't bring coins, so I don't put anything coins here. Let me try to put my lip balm. I don't think it will be fit because it's quite bulky on the top, but let me try to put it on the back compartment. Let's see if I can close it or not. Yes, it can close, and a bit bulky here because of the lip balm, I think. But yeah, it can fit. How about I put my card case here? I just take away my lip balm and put my card case. So let me try to close. Okay, it's quite bulky. I don't think it will. Okay, I can close it with some push, but see, it's ugly. It will be stretched out. As you can see, it's bulky around here. So no, I'm not going to bring the card case. So I guess yeah, only that, and maybe lip balm like this can fit in here. I don't think other things can fit in here. Oh, let me try to put my mobile phone on the back compartment. See, I don't. Okay, it will fit, but it's quite bulky, and it will stretch out. See, it's not pretty, right? I don't think I want to bring or to put my mobile phone on the back. So yeah, let me put back again inside. So cash, mobile phone on here, and cards on the slot pocket here, and then my lip balm, and also some two cards here on the slot. So yeah, it's also a bit bulky here, as you can see. I don't think I want to bring my lip balm then. I don't like to put, or it will be stretched out. So yeah, without lip balm, it's pretty decent, right? And I think this kind of wallet, rather than to be a crossbody bag, because it can be a crossbody bag. As you can see, there is some handle for your additional strap here for your crossbody bag. So yeah, oops, I hope you enjoy watching this one. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.